Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2004 Honda Shadow 1100. This one is customized in an awesome bobber style. It's got LED headlight, it's got the disc wheels, cut down fender, awesome sounding Cobra exhaust. This bike is really cool. Come on by, get your low price custom bobber for just $59.99. This bike is not going to be here long. It really has great curb appeal. Only 9,800 miles on the odometer. Come on by. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.